Yet, the real highlight, though, is the atmosphere. The sound of water echoing under the arch, the cool air settling in the porch, the trees whispering in the breeze, possibly about how nosy these humans are. People come here to relax, breathe, and experience what it's like to star in a nature documentary. And honestly, with this scenery, it's surprising convincing. So that's Milia Bridge Trail, a tiny slice of Cyprus where history, geology, and serenity meet, and politely ask you to keep your voice down.